Welcome back. Now the easiest way to stream live will be to use your desktop camera, and all you'll need to do is make sure that your camera is connected to your personal computer and that your audio is on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click this link. It's going to bring you this dialog box. You're then going to click Go Live. Once you click Go Live, you're going to get another dialog. Now your browser will then ask you if you're going to allow YouTube to take over your camera and your microphone. In this case, you're going to click Allow. And once you get to the screen, you're then going to want to write in your title. You're then going to decide on whether or not your video is going to be unlisted or it's going to be private. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to make this video private. We can click the Schedule for Later button, and when we click that Schedule for Later button, we're going to be able to set the time for which we want to go live. You'll notice that there is a More Options link, and basically you're going to be able to write in the rest of your description. You'll be able to choose your category, and you'll be able to choose your webcam and microphone. Once we do that, we can click this link that says Advanced Settings. We can decide to allow or disallow the chat for our live stream. It's going to be enabled by default. You can also enable some kind of age restriction, and if you have some kind of sponsored or paid promotion, you can indicate that here. Once you've completed these advanced settings, you can click this arrow, and then you can come back to this screen, and then you can then click Next. Now, in going from the previous screen to this one, YouTube is going to create a thumbnail based on what it sees in your camera. Now, if you want to change that thumbnail, all you'll need to do is click this button that says Upload Custom Thumbnail, or you can click this link that says Retake Thumbnail, and you can have your image taken by your webcam. In this case, we're going to click Upload Custom Thumbnail. And once we've done that, we can click the Go Live button if we want to go live right now, or we can click the Done button, and that'll make sure that we complete the process. Now, at the point at which we decide that we want to do the broadcast in the future, we would come back at the appointed time. We would come inside of our Go Live screen, and we would come to this upcoming area and click this link that would bring us to this screen. We would then click our live dashboard, and that'll bring us back to this area where we can go live. One other thing you're going to notice is that on the right-hand side, you have your chat area. So for the individuals that are watching your live stream, they'll be able to chat with you. You'll be able to write in this area where all messages are going to be visible, or you can have your messages sorted where it's determined that individuals that are spamming your message area will not be in here. And that is your easiest way of going live straight from your desktop. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.